Many of my clients who sustain significant spinal injuries, and typically what is meant by that is if they sustain a herniation to the disc in either their lumbar spine, which is the lower back, or the cervical spine, which is your neck. There's also the thoracic spine, but it's rare to see a traumatic disc herniation in the thoracic spine. They will be under treatment for a substantial period of time, conservative care, receiving therapy. That therapy might not resolve their issues. So their doctors will first send them for an MRI study to get a picture of their anatomy, to see what's going on inside their body. That MRI may show that they have a disc herniation, which is a rupture of the cartilage rings of the disc with the protrusion of the gel or the nucleus pulposus out through those rings. The next option will be to have pain management or injections to help reduce any inflammation. But if that doesn't work, many times my clients are going to need spinal surgery to either the neck or the back. One method of properly diagnosing the type of injury or the precise location of the injury in the spine is by using a test called a discogram. And what that is the doctor, sometimes under partial sedation, will lay you on a table. They will inject you with dye into a precise part of the spine, typically into the area of one of the precise discs. For example, in the lumbar spine at the L4, L5 disc or the L5S1 disc. And they visualize that with a camera and a CAT scan to see, does any of that dye leak out through the disc where they inject it? They look for that, and they look also for pain. If you experience pain, even in your sedated state, and you can tell them of the pain when the dye is injected to a certain level, that's a pretty strong indication that there is a rupture in that disc. And then they corroborate or correlate that with the visualization on the CT scan to see where is that dye coming out from and where is it going to and how extensive is that leak. And then they'll be able to determine whether or not that is the type of condition that could probably be helped by having spinal surgery.